The Soul S Storm. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a rugged portable speaker, the Soul S Storm. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a quick start guide, USB-C cable for charging, and the carabiner. The S Storm features 20 hours of playtime. It takes 3 hours to fully charge. 5-watt output with a 45mm speaker, Bluetooth 5.0, and you can pair an additional speaker. Button controls, IP68 waterproof, and floatable. This also comes in 3 colors, black, blue, and beige. I have the black version. You will immediately notice how small it is and basically fits in the palm of your hands. It has a tough, rugged feel all around, and the housing has a thick rubber layer. The front of the speaker has a metallic grille with the Soul logo, and on the top you have the loop for the carabiner. On the front you'll find the following: your power button and voice assist, your call controls and playback, microphone, and LED. And on the back, lifting up the rubber flap, you'll have access to the USB-C charging port. The speaker comes in at 3.5 by 1.3 inches. It weighs in at roughly 194 grams. And now for some audio samples.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side.
On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70.
Here are my thoughts on the speaker. The overall design is compact and portable. This is something you can just throw in your bag or clip on your side using the carabiner. Battery life is excellent, coming in at 20 hours, and you have the option of pairing another speaker for stereo mode. I like the IP68 rating, so this will have no problems protecting you from the elements, and it's versatile for many activities. When it comes to sound, you have to keep in mind the size, so you won't get that explosive deep bass like the larger speakers. But that's not to say this is lacking bass. Bass is present for its small size, and I think it does a good job. Comes in punchy and tight. I think this excels more on the mids and highs and leans towards a brighter sound signature. There is definitely good separation and clarity, and it doesn't distort at a high volume level, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Overall, this is a great companion to have when you want to listen to music. It has the portability factor and produces big sounds for its size, and not to mention the IP68 rating that will give it the added protection. So that is my review of the Soul S Storm Bluetooth speaker. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.